the
A wife beater's the undershirt.
undershirt? Huzzah! I'm wearing this undershirt.
Okay. What? Can you make your bed real quick?
Hate this. What?
What do you hate?
What? Okay. That
What?
was awkward. Thank you for the tooth. It will come in handy. Make sure to keep brushing.
What is? Did the tooth fairy come?
Already.
Already? What? How much did you get?
I don't know. I mean, look. I'm still dead. Better not get a tooth still.
A tooth. She takes the teeth.
Oh my God.
What?
I got $1 American
Uh-huh.
and I got €5.
Oh my goodness.
I guess I'm lucky.
She's rich this year.
I'm rich for this.
No,
€5 is
€5 is a lot of American.
100.
Oh my gosh, are you gonna show Dad?
Yeah. Well, can I put the American dollar away?